Hello friends, this is Bapi Shordar. Welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to use hour, minute and second formula for separating this time. If you really want to learn how will you use it properly, then what you have to do? You have to watch this video till the end. So dear friends, let's get started. First of all, we have to separate hour from this time. Then what we have to do? We have to apply here hour formula is equal to hour bracket open, and we select this cell and bracket close. Now see the result. Hour has been separated here from this time. Now we will separate minute from this cell. Is equal to minute bracket open and select this cell and bracket close and enter. Now see, the minute has been separated from this time. Now we will separate second from this time. Then what you have to do? You have to apply here second formula. Select this cell and close bracket and enter. Now see, the second has been separated from this cell. Now we will select this range and drop it down. Now see the result. So dear friends, how was the tricks? If you really like this video, please follow and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.